Bitcoin has seen this insane breakdown and this insane rejection, but watch this video within the coming 24 hours because this insane event is around the corner which will probably turn things around. So we need to be talking about that exactly, about the most important level of support. Is Bitcoin still looking bullish? What is exactly happening right now? So can we once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, yesterday we have seen this significant breakdown. Of course, we have been seeing Bitcoin getting squeezed in from this level of resistance and from this uptrending level of support. Now, I was actually expecting that yes, indeed, we were gonna see this breakout towards the upside, but we did not. We actually broke towards the downside. That can always happen. Of course, it might be more likely to see a break towards the upside, but of course, there's always that possibility that we can also be breaking towards the downside, and you always do want to be prepared for both scenarios. In this scenario, we are breaking out towards the downside and we might be forming this double top. We are sitting on a crucial level of support which we need to be holding for Bitcoin, because if we are going to be falling down below, we do have a price target sitting all the way down towards the 62.4k level. So yeah, this level is going to be a very important level to hold for Bitcoin after seeing this rejection. Otherwise, we can definitely have a look into what's lower levels getting reached. But however, Bitcoin is sitting at the crucial decision point right now. It is very important to keep in mind that Bitcoin is still trading inside of this uptrend. Technically, in my opinion, we are still trading inside of this uptrend unless we are going to be breaking below this previous high over here. So we still do have a lot of breathing room. We can still definitely consolidate inside of this bigger consolidation over here. And in my opinion, this whole dump that we have just seen towards the downside, in my opinion, is just going to be a massive trap for Bitcoin. Because why am I saying this? Well, this FOMC meeting is just around the corner. In about 9 hours from of recording this video, we are going to be seeing the FOMC meeting. And yesterday, I've reposted this post on my Twitter profile saying that this is a scam dump, and there have been 4 FOMC meetings in 2024 and every single one of them has the same scam dump. Bitcoin has dumped 10% in 48 hours before all of them. But on the FOMC day, it recovered the entire move, which this FOMC day is today. That is why I'm saying watch this video within the coming 24 hours. This is going to be an extremely important day. The market always prices in overly bearish statements and then reverses back towards the upside. I think that that is exactly what has been happening again for today. So yeah, once again, as long as we're going to be holding above this level of support, I would definitely not be bearish over here. I would definitely still expect that we are going to be reversing back towards the upside. Of course, if we are going to be falling down below, well, at that moment, it is going to be looking different. And then we are going to be having a look into what's lower levels getting reached. But right now, that is not the case at all. And I would still have a look into what's this dump being actually a trap, and still have a look into what's some kind of a recovery coming in for Bitcoin. So yeah, do not get fooled and do not get trapped by the short-term Bitcoin dump we are seeing, but also definitely do keep in mind that it is going to be very important to see what the results actually are going to be of this FOMC meeting. Are we going to be seeing a rate cut, which we have a chance of 0.6%, which is not going to be likely at all, but definitely what is going to be getting said during the FOMC meeting by Jerome Powell is definitely going to be having a huge impact on the Bitcoin price. So it is going to be extremely important to watch the live show this night. It is extremely important to see what Jerome Powell is about to say during this meeting, and depending on that, we will either see this big reversal or we are going to be seeing even lower levels getting reached. So tonight is going to be extremely important. I'm leaning more on the bullish side because, well, in the past, the history is indicating that most of the times we are actually reversing back towards the upside. So yeah, I'm leaning more on the bullish side to be honest, but having a look in towards the longer term, well, Bitcoin is still pretty much consolidating inside of this huge range. And in my opinion, it is just going to be a matter of time until we are going to be breaking towards the upside. Of course, we are trading inside of this huge bull market, and it does not look like this bull market is about to end anytime soon, and we are going to be starting our bear market. So yeah, we pretty much just need to be waiting until we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside. I do think it is going to be inevitable and it is going to be imminent, but the question is just going to be, how long will it still take before we eventually are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside? Now, yesterday I've been posting this myself. Maybe we will not break out this week, maybe not by this month, but eventually we are going to be seeing this massive breakout. So that is why you need to be prepared right now. Anyways, yes, on that larger time frame still, we are getting squeezed in massively. And right now, we are still getting rejected, still consolidating inside of this range, making us getting squeezed in even more. And the longer we are going to be getting squeezed in, or the more explosive the move will eventually be. So yeah, patience is really key right now. Do not get shaken out by the short-term Bitcoin movements. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, make sure to check out that link down below. Because over on CoinW, you can right now be claiming $5 on your initial sign up. On top of that, on your first futures trade, you are going to be eligible for another $100 completely for free. And also you can be claiming this $30,000 deposit bonus. But do keep in mind that these bonuses are only going to be available if you do use that link down below. Now, the best thing is over on CoinW, there's no KYC required, so everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading and claiming these free bonuses. Anyways, just like I said, do not get shaken out right now. There's so much more about to come in my opinion. Now, having a look into this bull flag pattern, maybe we can have a look into this bull flag pattern like this, and it can still take a little bit longer until we are eventually going to be seeing this move getting created. But right now, it is still looking like we are seeing our breakout with a perfect retest right now. So anyways, just like I've said, patience is key right now. If you have patience at this current moment and you pay attention in towards the market every single day, you will be rewarded. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.